Bro, if you awake at night or your your sleep is not good enough, I recently doing learning Muay Thai and things like that. I'm not gonna briefly explain. I just made previously videos. So the thing is, my sleep is not as good as before. So I'm gonna researching and I research the things and I realize that my it's not anxiety or that things like that. The thing you can feel or you can chances are you're going through is like Dr. Huberman says that if you awake at night like 4 or 3 or 4 p.m. 3 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. like that, chances are high that you're not getting sunlight or you're not watching sunset night at evening. What does mean? The meaning of that is if you're watching sunrise at morning, that means you will going to wake up early as your circadian rhythm will set that way. And if you watch sunset at night, that will keep awake you, or you're going to sleepy and you feel as, going to feel asleep as soon as possible because of the light is dark outside. And after watching sunset, you're going to see that. So the thing is, for sunrise in the morning and sunset in the night can improve your sleep at its best. That's me. And one thing also that's mean is that if you do training or weightlifting or intense training, that means your training also is high, and because of that training, you're not going enough sleep. Means not time, but it's like you wake up in the middle of night and anytime. That's happened because of your training is too intense or you're not getting or watching sunset. Make sure that you are doing these two things, and then for a week, then make sure or then check the difference between previous nights and previous sleep, and after that try implementing those tips. Yeah, can your sleep is improve or not? That's the thing will improve your sleep. I can sure if you have same problems, like if you're doing same things but various difference, and there are a lot of different people, different things. So I don't know, but that's the thing that can improve your sleep and make sure that you are not going to wake up at night. Yeah, that's for all. Make sure to join my Discord server, link in the description.